Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm excited to share some healthy eating hacks that can make your meals more nutritious, cost-effective, and convenient. Whether you're looking to improve your diet, save some money, or just make smarter food choices, these tips have got you covered. Let's dive right in. Tip 1. Maximize nutrients and save money with frozen produce. First up, let's talk about frozen fruits and vegetables. Opting for frozen berries instead of fresh ones can save you money and help you avoid waste, especially when they're out of season. The best part? Frozen berries have a similar, if not better, nutritional profile compared to fresh ones because they're picked and frozen at peak ripeness. The same goes for leafy greens like spinach and kale. They're super convenient to keep in the freezer, and while they might not be as flavorful as fresh, they're still packed with nutrients. Tip 2. Incorporate affordable and long-lasting root vegetables. Next, let's focus on root vegetables like sweet potatoes and squash. These veggies are not only affordable, but also have a long shelf life, making them perfect for meal planning. They're rich in nutrients and can be used in various dishes, from soups to casseroles. However, if you have diabetes or kidney disease, be mindful of your portions, as these veggies can be higher in carbs and potassium. Tip 3. Stretch your meals by reducing meat consumption. If you're looking to cut down on meat, here's a simple hack. Use smaller portions of meat and bulk up your meals with whole grains, beans, or extra vegetables. Not only does this stretch your meals further, but it also adds more fiber and nutrients to your diet. Plus, it's a great way to save money and reduce your environmental impact. Tip 4. Use dried beans as a low-cost protein source. Speaking of beans, dried beans are an excellent, inexpensive, and low-sodium protein source. Yes, they do require a bit more preparation time compared to canned beans, but they're well worth the effort. You can cook a big batch and freeze portions for later use in soups, stews, or salads. Tip 5. Keep cabbage as a versatile kitchen staple. Cabbage is another fantastic, budget-friendly vegetable that's incredibly versatile. It has a long shelf life and can be used to substitute other greens, bulk up salads, or thicken soups. Plus, it's packed with nutrients and can be used in a variety of dishes, from slaws to stir-fries. Tip 6. Satisfy sweet cravings with dark chocolate. For those with a sweet tooth, here's a tip to satisfy your dessert cravings without breaking the bank. Savor a few dark chocolate chips instead of buying expensive packaged desserts. Dark chocolate is rich in antioxidants, and enjoying it in moderation can be both satisfying and beneficial for your health. Tip 7. Keep healthy foods visible to encourage better choices. Lastly, let's talk about the power of visibility in making healthier choices. You're more likely to eat what you see, so keep fruits and healthy snacks within easy reach. For example, place a bowl of fresh fruit on your counter or desk and keep a water bottle nearby to stay hydrated. Conversely, hide less healthy snacks out of sight to reduce the temptation to grab them impulsively. And there you have it, 7 simple yet effective hacks to help you eat healthier, save money, and make smarter food choices. I hope you found these tips helpful. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more nutrition tips and recipes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.